You're so tall, Deus. Okay, I'm gonna make the intro, okay? Okay. Hey, welcome back. I'm Diesel. Deus. We're gonna be making some food. What are we making, Mom? Mango graham and we're gonna be making some mango graham. Right, Deus?
Yeah.
Oh. What is mango graham made out of? What is mango graham made out of?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. And graham. Now, before we cook, what do we do first? Wash our hands.
Wash our hands. That's a good idea.
Thank you, Deus. After you wash our hands, what do we do next?
Because he's short. No.
We put on our apron. Deus. We washed our hands, right?
Yeah. And we put our aprons.
Yes, we put our aprons. Now, what do? We take the ingredients.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. The ingredients for mango graham is over there. Mom, can you give us the mango graham ingredients?
Yep.
First, we need some mango. Is there, oh? Follow. And then next, what's this, Mom? All-purpose cream. All-purpose cream.
Yeah, purpose cream.
Purpose cream.
Cookie seed.
Then next, what is this? What is that, Deus?
Milk. Exactly milk.
Can you get it? Can you show it? Condensed milk. Oh. And of course, how about this one? This one. We have the graham. We have the graham right here. Graham. Oh, what do we do, Mom?
Mix the milk and the cream. 2 milk. Add 2 cream. First one and second one. Then you have to mix this one.
How much, Mom? How much milk?
Everything.
Everything? All of this and all of this?
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Deus.
Kuya, bago ko mag-wash, spread it.
Spread it?
No, spread it like this. So after this, we're gonna put it where? In the freezer.
For how long, Mom?
Oh, well, let's stay overnight.
Hi.
Overnight. Okay.
Next we're gonna do coffee jelly.
After we put this in the freezer, wait. After we put this on the freezer, we're gonna keep it in the freezer overnight. And then we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Good night. Okay.
We're gonna make a jelly. Yes, we're gonna make a coffee jelly. For you, mommy.
Yeah. Let's ask for parents' help.
Yeah. For your child. The kids help.
Some sugar. Oh my god.
It's not sugar. It's jelly.
How many
We're gonna pour it lang.
coffee sticks did you put?
4.
And then how much water did you just put?
1 cup. 1 cup of. No, it's hot.
1/4 cup of hot water. Mix it.
1/4.
Mix it, Deus. Duxinne.
It smells like Papa's.
4 cups.
Papa's. Is it
Coffee.
cold? Is it cold?
One,
Is it cold? Is it cold? Is it
two.
cold? Is it cold?
Yeah, it's tap water or...
Is it cold, mommy?
It's cold water.
Yes.
Oh.
Mommy.
5.
Gonna be showing it to the viewers.
We will drain it. We will drain.
Okay. Drain.
Yeah.
I will drain it. Hold this, Dave. Hold this. And then, drain it.
Kasi we make sure na wala siyang buo-buo like this.
We're cooking it.
Ang piling thickens ha. Kapag kumukulo na, we will turn it off.
Oh yes, it's bubbling. There's a bubble right there. Oh. Ate Duxinne, would you do the honors?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, it's literally hot.
See?
Yan.
Looks good na, right?
Good. Oh, it looks good na. Tapos, we will turn the fire off. Fire out. Tapos, then we will stay it for an overnight. Then tomorrow, we will check if it thickens or...
Good morning. Good morning, Duxinne. Morning, Mommy. It is day 2 now. We left it overnight.
Let's check.
Okay.
Let's check.
First, we have...
This one.
What is this? Mango graham. Put this away. This is my breakfast.
Let's check. Success, ate.
Okay. Ma'am, mango graham. Very nice, very nice. And what's next?
Next is coffee gel.
Coffee jelly. It seems like that after you left it overnight, you're supposed to put it in the fridge. For how long, ma'am? How long?
Overnight.
Overnight. Seems like it does take time, but after a while, seems worth it. What do you think, ma'am? Seems worth it.
Ma'am. Dito mo dun.
And this is the finished product, right, ma'am? Just to confirm, what do we call this liquid, ma'am?
Mixture of milk and cream.
The milk and cream that we made the other night was the cream that we used to fill up the graham, and it is also the liquid that we used for this coffee jelly, because the amount that we made is of course a lot, and it is
Just enough for
and it
this
is
coffee.
just enough for some graham and coffee jelly. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you again. Thank you.
Noise.